Hi, magandang gabi bayan. I have been saving a lot for Brant, and he finally arrived. That's what we're gonna do today. We'll be pulling for him and his signature weapon. So, huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Ayun, gusto ko si Changli, but she's rerunning with Brant. So, I guess I'm on the unlucky end. If I still have enough after pulling for Brant and his weapon, I'll pull for her. Okay, let me just check my pity. Yan. 25, 30, 30. And I'm guaranteed. How about a weapon? Okay, 0 pity. Chill. Anyways. Okay, 40. Don't see. 50. Akala ko yun eh. 60. Wala pa rin. 70. Please give me Mortify wave bands. Isa na lang, S6 na siya. I think this is 70. Tama ba? Okay, I already lost count. Mag-singles tayo this time. 1, 2. Ayaw talaga akong bigyan ng Mortify duplicates. Malas. 73. 74. Ay! Ayan!
I am here to hunt for every laugh. Brant, at your service. A pleasure to make your acquaintance.
Slim! Oh my god! 74 pulls. So we finally got him. Let's go get his weapon. Okay, Dan. Walig. 20. 30. Oh! Slay! Boom! Ayan na agad. Tari naman po pala. So, since I still have a lot of asteroids, let's see if we can get Changli. Okay, balik 50-50. Ayan, finally! Binigyan din ako ng Mortify wave band. 20. 30. 40. 50. Tama ba? Ito 60. Wala pa rin. Hayop. Okay, 60 pulls and no Changli yet. Let's see what we can buy. Ay, meron pa pala ako nito. Ayan. Okay, 70. Yan na.
Quit the chit chat.
Sana nga Changli.
Provided your description.
Eons of
Slay!
all encapsulated in a humble game. I am fortunate to have you as my opponent.
Oh my god! Panalong 50-50! My... Thank you so much. Nice! Yon. Yun na yon.
To which stage will life guide us next?
So...
Now we're storm for a grand now
materials.
full speed ahead. On to the next stop. Massive wave is just
Kulang pa ako nito. Skills. Substat ng signature. Anything that skill? Oh my goodness. Kulang ako sa Howler course. Puro energy regen yung suggested sa kanya. Check ko nga maya-maya yung ano niya, yung kit niya. Is there any faster way to do this? I'm gonna max them to level 10. Everything that I prefer enough. Don't have any idea. Heard he does. And I guess. Okay, wait. Maya. Sana aswertihin tayo dito sa ano ba tawag dito? Echoes? Come on, give me double crit. Ay! O nga no, ma'am. Oh, hindi. Pero okay na yan. That should do for now. Recommended dito. Oh my god! Crit rate and crit damage. Let's go! E. Bagay din yung aso ko na pala natutunan. Sobrang mas nasusunod yung ayan, work in progress pa yung stats niya, pero I guess that'll do for now. So paano yung rotation nito? Ay, putik. Ay! Ano tumama sa akin? Yan, bagsakan mo. Oh, di ba? Ang taray, may shield pa lang. Parang Attack on Titan yung gameplay.